Okay, so you guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you a real slime room. I'm so hot, like sweating. Filming every single day, posting Instagram videos every day, at least 3, and then on YouTube at least once a week. I have a working slime room. But first I have to close all these windows. It's so hot, and the weather just kind of changed. Oh. Okay, I'm just closing. I just put the air on because I'm so hot. And yeah, guys, you have just entered my slime room. All right, so my slime room is a disaster right now. I have been wanting to do a slime room tour for the longest time, but I haven't because I can never get my slime room clean enough to the point where I feel like it's ready for a tour. Sorry guys. Okay, so here we go. We used to have a full loft, and if you guys watch some of my older videos, you could see that this area where the door is and where the closet is used to be open. So we kind of just cut the loft in half. It is a disaster, but I am gonna let you see it anyways. So you can see up here, I have usually my Will It Slime bins, and those are filled with things that I buy at the store that I wanna do videos with, you know, and so I have a few of those bins. Some of them are kind of down here right now because I was going through them to plan my next week of videos. Then they will go back up on top there. Also up here I have bubble wrap. I package all the slimes in bubble wrap before I put in bubble mailers. I know everyone's like, you're using a bubble mailer, why are you using bubble wrap too? Because the post office is just really rough with the slimes and I don't want them to get damaged. My slime bash posters, actually, you can see slime bash. Okay, let's go back to my shelving. So I'm gonna show you everything that is on my shelving currently. This is the current state of my slime room. I just got done last night packing a ton of slimes. They're at the post office. If you want to buy slimes, rainbowplaymaker.com. If you want to check out my videos and you're new here, go to Instagram at Rainbowplaymaker. You can check out all my tutorials on this channel. There are a ton of them. And yeah, so up on top, this top row, I kind of keep my Will It Slime to be or videos that I am going to do for Instagram. So I usually have more bins right here. If you saw my paint videos, I have those artworks just kind of drying up there right now. But normally these bins that are on the floor, I usually have them up here. I was going through them to try to plan next week's videos, so they are down. All of these slimes that you see here are slimes that I'm planning to do smoothies with. A lot of you guys like those smoothie videos that I've been doing on my feed, but a lot of them will come from here. I also have slimes here that I will not be getting rid of, but a lot of these are just, let me just come over here, slimes from my videos or slimes that people gave me from conventions. Just stuff that I've shown pretty much on my Instagram, mixing, whatever. So that's what all of that is. So not all of these will go into slime smoothies, but most of them will. Okay, I just don't really know where to go. There's so many things in here. I'm constantly struggling with boxes and containers because this is this is a constant process of in and out, in and out. Like I use all these up and then new boxes come with more containers. So it's just kind of like a busy deal. I have, you can see all those boxes. I know I have a shipment coming this week with more. I have up here even more containers for slime. And these are the Fabri-Cal ones. So these are like the flat deli style ones. And a lot of times when I do videos for my Instagram, I will store the slimes. If they're not food slimes, I will store them in these boxes. So not in these boxes, in these containers. Yes. I have these mailers. I have a bunch of different sizes. These are I think they're like 750 unlimited weight mailers, which are nice. A lot of people like those. Then I have like small mailers. I have bigger ones too. I have all different sizes just according to how many slimes people purchase and how many I can fit in there. Let's see down here. I'm trying to hold this steady, but I don't know exactly how I'm supposed to be filming this. These are bags for the post office. So I use this big, it's like a big post office bag, and like when I go into the post office, the people that work there, they're like, oh look, it's Santa Claus. So it's kind of funny because I carry it like over my shoulder and I walk in like this. But anyways, okay, bins for slimes. These are all clean, so I'll put them up on the shelf. Here I have business cards, tape. I need to get some more of that tape. After I'm done packing, everything just gets so messy. Then I kind of clean it up a little bit and then start all over destroying everything. Because when I'm in pack mode, I put on loud music and I just kind of get to it. And here I just have labels. These are from Palm Shop Love. These are big ones. But I have all sizes from them, smaller ones. These labels are ones that I print on my own computer, and those go at the bottom of the slimes. So those are just an example of some of those. You can see that cereal milk, jelly. This one, oh, those are some leftovers from Cherry Bomb. But yeah, so those are just kind of like where I put labels and stickers. When I used to change my background, oh, I don't want to get rid of this. This is from my Elmer's cake. I still have it. I don't know what to do with it. So I just keep it on my shelf. It's like icing. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but Elmer's sent me a cake and this was on top of it. And I think it's so cute. I love it. So we'll just leave it there. Oh, I was digging in here today for a bag. Let's see. Oh, this is what I was talking about. So when I used to change my background more, now I use just the marble background. But when I used to change my background, I have like all these different papers that I would put underneath a glass or like a plexiglass, and I would change those out according to whatever video I was doing. Just some tissue paper. I have this rainbow bag that I thought was cute. There's just like some more containers, mixing bowls. I have some stuff for when I travel to slime convention over there. I think I'm gonna try to put you guys on a tripod and then maybe I can show you easier. I feel like I'm shaking you too much and I don't want to get you guys sick. So let's do that. Okay, so this is actually a closet and I took off the doors to put this shelving in. So a couple of my kids helped me push it in. And then I just never put the doors back on, but I do eventually want to put the doors on. There's tracks down here. Yeah, I have a bin of candy here. So all different types of candy that go with the orders, Pop Rocks. I have ring pops. This is always also filtering out. So this area here with my boxes for my containers, like these containers, constantly breaking these boxes down when they're empty and bringing new boxes in. So I would love to have this space open here, but I really just don't know how else to go about it because when you have a slime shop, it's like you're going through supplies so fast. So yeah. So, okay, so I guess I could show you, oh, gumball machine. This is from Glitter Slimes. She gave me her gumball machine, you guys. Hashtag Glitter Slimes is awesome. So she gave this to me, Slime Mania. She couldn't take it home. And so that was so nice. So my little girls love this. They always come up. That's the gumball story, the gumball machine story. Of course, I have my mixer. You guys want to see my mixer? And like I said, everything is a disaster because I just filmed a bunch of videos. Yeah. And I just got done packing a bunch of stuff. So this is my mixer. So I bought it and it was silver. So many people ask me where I got my pink mixer, and I painted it pink. There's actually a video on my IGTV if you want to see me painting it, because I have it there in fast motion. This is a good machine. I still haven't named it. A lot of people said I should call her the Playmaker or the Slime Maker, or I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what you think I should name my mixer, because my mixer needs a name. But I feel bad because she gets overworked a lot, and she gets hot on top, but she does a good job, and I'm happy that I got the bigger mixer. I still need to get another one. I want to have a designated mixer for my white glue-based slimes and my clear-based slimes, just to kind of keep that separate. And so that's kind of my plan. So I've been looking at some planetary mixers just for clear, and I'll continue to use this for cloud slimes and for, you know, everything else that I use that's not clear based. So this is where I film all of my Instagram videos. I've tried filming on a higher table, but you know, I always come back to doing kind of like the coffee table. It's just more comfortable for me. I have like a gym mat here so I don't hurt my knees while I'm on my knees filming videos. And yeah, so it just kind of works out pretty good for me. These are from Amazon. They're Studio Pro. I will have them linked down below for you guys. And I have a ring light there that's also from Amazon. I can have that linked below. If you guys don't know, I have an Amazon supply shop, and I basically categorized everything in my shop. So if you want to learn how to make my clear gloss, I have a category for that. So you can just click on clear gloss and it'll take you to the supplies I use for clear gloss. And foam, basic slime, crunchy slime, icy slime, jelly slime, I have categories for it all. And so it's just an Amazon supply shop. It's an affiliate shop. So anything that you purchase through those links, I do get credit for. I would never recommend anything that I don't love and use myself. So keep that in mind. And I just have a random glue bottle there, and I have this chair, and I kind of move it around the room according to where I want to sit. So it's nice because I could just throw it places. Okay, so I'm going to show you up close what I have on my shelving currently. Let's start up here. So up here I have some crunchy snow for some like crunchy icy slime. This is my basic foam bin. Of course, you've seen my bubble wrap, raw honey. I have my spinner wheel thing up there. And these are just Willet slime or things for my Instagram videos, just kind of random stuff that I have in those bins. And you can see up here I have some clean containers and things to use in videos, just some clean bowls and some other stuff. And then I have let's see, up here just more. I have a slime shop, but I also do satisfying videos and post a lot on Instagram. Here you can see a ton of foam soaps. There's just some shaving cream, some stuff that I got for videos. These are all just a bunch of stuff. Here's kind of like lubricant stuff, like lotions and baby oil and just some other things. And here you can see I have like all these paints. In this corner, I have all my pom-poms. This bin down here, slimes that people have given me that I still need to go through from conventions or just wherever. There's just like a random glue bin that just has like kind of a mix of just a bunch of different glues that I have. And I don't usually use those for my slime shop. That is just for my videos, for my Instagram videos. So, and YouTube videos. So in here I have just some containers, and then I have, these are like the activator bottles that already have the activator in it. You just have to add water, and I have to put my sticker on it. So that's what this bin is. I have these containers, these are 32 ounce, and I have just some other random containers there. More lids, more containers. Here's just kind of like a little overview of one of the bins that I have for like Will It Slimes or whatever. Canvases in case I want to do more of those paint videos. Of course, I don't buy Oreos to eat. I buy them for my Will It Slimes. So yeah, I have just a ton of glue and I use all different types of glues. I have Elmer's, I have Maddie Ray, I have Nickelodeon. You can see all of those down there. Basically my Kawaii Slime Company bin of stuff that I use, some things that I got from her shop. This is, I don't know why that was there, but this is more like just a Daiso bin filled with Daiso. Just a little tip, you guys, don't store your Daisos out of the box and try to use them right away because even in the package, they dry up pretty quick. So just a little tip there. Of course, we've got clear gloss glue right there. I have to order more. Not sure how many I have back there. I accidentally ordered the white glue instead of the clear. And so that's why I have a bunch of these white glues. Don't normally order this size for the white glue. I'll order the gallons. But I thought that was kind of interesting that I did that. The picture to me looked like I was ordering clear, but then when I went back, it was not clear. Of course, Maddie Ray. I have these. I keep meaning to do a video on them, but I just haven't. But yeah, so I have Model Magic. I have some Craft City stuff, some store-bought slimes over there. It's kind of like my putty section right there. But yeah, I guess that's about it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys something. So over here, I have a bunch of bins of just clear gloss. So it's not 100% ready, but you can see it's clearing up in there. Yeah. Oh, I just kind of store those over in the corner and I'm constantly making new ones and filtering out, you know, packaging these when they're ready and shipping them because they sell right away and making more. So I hope you liked my messy slime room tour and I hope to do a neat slime room tour for you guys sometime soon. Oh, because that's about it. I'm gonna take my clear gloss and I'm out of here. You may ask, what am I holding? Oh, I don't know. I'm holding a bin of clear gloss that isn't cleared up yet. Here we go. Ooh. I forgot to show you something else too. I also have, okay. I also have a ton of Snow Wonder in my slime room. It's the only snow that I use for my slimes, my jelly slimes, my cloud slimes, my cloud creams, my puff slimes, everything, yeah. All right, so I got my Snow Wonder and I'm ready to go. Let's do it.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're doing it, oh yeah, messy slime tour, messy slime tour, yeah, you want it, you got it, oh yeah, you know it, you want it, oh yeah, you want it, oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.